Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create and build your own playlist inside of Apple Music. To get started, open the Apple Music app. Now there are a couple of ways that you can start your new playlist. The first is by selecting from a song that you want to build from. Find the song and tap the three dots to the right of it and choose Add to a Playlist. In here, you can choose an already created playlist that you have, but we want to start by choosing New Playlist. You can then tap the song name here at the top and rename your new playlist. After that, you can give your playlist a description and choose if you want it to appear on your profile and in searches. When you're ready to add more music, tap Add Music at the bottom. Here you can then search for music or just browse through the options below. When you find a song that you want to add, just tap the plus sign to the right of that song. When you're finished, tap Done at the top right. You'll then go back to the playlist overview page where you can make more edits if you want. When you're ready, tap Done again on the top right. Now to find your playlist, select Library at the bottom and then Playlist. You will then find your new playlist here. If it doesn't show up right away and you have a ton of playlists, it could be because it's sorted in a different order. Tap Sort at the top right and then choose Recently Added. You should then see your new playlist at the top. The other way to create a new playlist is just by heading back to the playlist page inside of your library and choosing New Playlist. After that, the steps are the same for when we created a new one from a song. And if you want to delete a playlist, just go back into it, tap the three dots on the top right, and choose Delete from Library. On the next pop-up, tap Delete Playlist. And that's how you create, build, and delete a playlist inside of Apple Music. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.